Alright, welcome back to Buchanan Kia, where today I look at a 2019 Kia Forte FE. I look at a Mustang. I don't think I'm a test driver, but I look at a Mustang. And we drive around the parking lot. And it's coming to you next on this episode of Sykesville Stanks. Wow, no spare tire. You got fix-a-flat. That's not cool. Pull this handle right here, shut the trunk. So here we have the key fob, which reminds me of a Stinger key. Kia couldn't keep that exclusive for the Stinger, so they pretty much, all their key fobs now, even down to the Forte, I think the Soul had the same key fob. They all look like this. The only difference in this model, you actually have a key that goes in the ignition. $160 on the dash. Bluetooth, your different modes. Select your AM FM mode right there. Phone control knobs right there. Here's your lane keep assist, user settings, driver info, cruise control, okay, cancel. Here is your 8-inch infotainment system. Shows you the date, the time, the radio. This one is not equipped with the navigation system, but you do have radio, media. Not sure what this star button does. Well, let's find out. Guess you can customize your steering wheel mode, media change. This is also push button. Seek, track, home, phone home, setup, display. You can change how you want the direction of the music to come, whether you want it all up front speakers or all in the rear speakers. Let's go back home. Down here you have your climate control system. The gauges are digital. Turn it to the left to cool it down to a nice comfortable 69 degrees. 69. Got your rear and front defrosters here, fan speed here. There's circulation of air right there. You can sync it on both sides just by hitting this button right here. So here you have your USB, your auxiliary button, your 12-volt power outlet. You do have some cup holders there on the door for driver and passenger. You don't have a button for your brake. You do have a traditional brake lever right here. It didn't mention the speed of the transmission, so that I don't know. I will have to look that up and put all of that information in the description below. Transmission does shift smooth. You can slap it to the left and you can drive it manually if you choose to. As you can see, that puts it in sport mode right there. And you can just go through the gears like so. So once you slap it to the left, so if you slap it to the left, it goes in sport mode. You have some cup holders right here. Nothing special about that. Plenty of space down here to store things. You have plenty of space in the back there for a couple of rugrats. Your dome lights right there. Eyeglass compartment right there. You do have your vanity mirrors. They are not lit. Again, this is just the base model. Put it in reverse, you do have a pretty decent camera. You can see as you turn the steering wheel, it helps guide you to where you're trying to go. Awesome feature. Okay, so the wife's going to get out and I'm going to drive around the parking lot and she's going to get some shots of me just driving by. Once again, we have the 2019 Forte FE Aurora Black with the black interior, the 2.0 liter multi-port injection engine, 4-cylinder, intelligent variable transmission, drive mode select, 15-inch steel wheels with wheel covers. These are not alloys. You have all your safety features as far as airbags in the front, in the rear, side curtain airbags, things of that nature. Tire pressure monitoring system. You do have a hill start assist control, vehicle stability management system, electronic stability control system, traction control system, of course anti-lock brakes. Interior comfort and convenience, you do have your dual zone climate control, power windows, door locks, outside mirrors. You got the Evo Play, which includes the AM FM MP3 with an 8-inch touchscreen and a rear backup camera. You have the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone integration, USB auxiliary input jack and 12-volt outlet, Bluetooth wireless technology, multi-adjustable front seats, remote keyless entry, tilt and telescopic steering column, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth audio and cruise, driver attention warning system, forward collision avoidance assist car, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keep assist. The exterior, you have your auto on projection headlights, daytime running lights. The extended warranty is 10-year, 100,000 miles, best in the business. 5-year, 60,000 mile limited basic warranty, 5-year, 60,000 mile roadside assistance. This vehicle is located at Buchanan Kia in Westminster, Maryland. That is 119 Railroad Avenue, Westminster, Maryland 21157. All that information will be in the description below. The manufacturer suggested retail price of $18,590 with the additional installed equipment. The Aurora Black paint will cost you $295, cargo mat $95, and the carpeted floor mats $125 for a total manufacturer's suggested retail price of exactly 20,000 even. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Your fuel economy, you have 31 city, 41 highway, for a combined of 35. Annual fuel cost will run you around $1,100 a year. This car hasn't been rated by the government 5-star safety rating system as of yet. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this. Now I'm going to go look at this Mustang over here, so stay tuned for that. But as for this Kia Forte, that is it. That'll do it for this episode of Sights Feels Things. Stay tuned for the next one. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you to all of our subscribers. We really do appreciate your support. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you can know when Sights Feels Things post new videos to the tube. And with that being said, yeah, let's go check out that Mustang. It sounds good though. Alright, so as this does have power seats, buttons in the front, which is kind of weird. Ooh, yeah, they all have that rough steering problem. The wheels that's on here, I don't know if you got a shot of it. The wheels that's on here, I am not a fan of. They are not the wheels that came with this car standard. Let's see where the clutch lights up. But she goes. Oh, she's not playing around. It's here on sale at Buchanan Kia if you are interested in a 2001 Mustang with only 67,000 miles. That's going to be it.